Hi, William. Are you hungry? I'm so hungry today, my stomach is really rumbling.
Hi, Emma. Yes, I am very hungry. So hungry. I did not eat lunch today, only a small snack. My stomach feels empty.
Me too. I had a really busy morning and no time for a proper meal. Let's go to a restaurant and order some food. I know a nice place nearby.
That sounds great. Oh, I like this restaurant we are walking past. It is clean and quiet, and the colors inside are very warm.
Yes, I know this one. And the food here is very good. They have many fresh options. Let's go inside. Maybe we can sit near the window?
Okay. Yes, I like this table by the window. It has a good view of the street. The menu is already on the table. That's good.
Perfect. Let's look at the menu together. It looks like they have many good things to choose from. Do you usually know what you want quickly?
Sure, there are many options. I see salads, soups, and main dishes, and some desserts too. Sometimes it takes me a long time to choose.
I want something light today. Maybe a salad or soup. I had a big breakfast, so I don't want anything too heavy. What about you?
I want something hot and filling. Maybe chicken or pasta. I really need to fill my stomach, you know. I worked out this morning.
Oh, that's right. You always go to the gym before work. Excuse me, can we see the menu, please? Oh, we already have one. Silly me.
Haha, it's okay. Sometimes I forget things too when I'm hungry. Look, this menu has pictures. That's nice. It helps me choose.
Yes, it really does. William, what do you want to drink first? I'm a bit thirsty after walking here.
I want a glass of water, definitely. And maybe some orange juice? I like fresh orange juice. It's refreshing.
Good choice. I think I want tea with lemon. A hot tea sounds perfect right now. It always calms me.
Do you like coffee? I saw they have many types of coffee, like latte and cappuccino.
Yes, but I want coffee after the meal. With dessert, maybe? Coffee and cake is a nice combination, don't you think?
Okay, that makes sense. I think I will order soup first. It's a good way to start the meal, and it's cold outside today.
Which soup do you like here? Do you have a favorite? They have vegetable, tomato, and mushroom soup.
I like tomato soup. It is simple and tasty, and it's usually warm and creamy. I had it here before.
That sounds nice. I think I want vegetable soup. I like all the different vegetables in it. It feels very healthy.
Do you want bread with your soup? I see they offer warm bread with butter. It's usually very good.
Yes, please. I love bread, especially warm bread. It's perfect with soup. Are you going to have some too?
Me too. Bread is very good here. So, tomato soup and then what for your main dish? I'm still deciding.
For my main dish, I think I'll have the grilled fish with steamed vegetables. It sounds light and fresh. What about you, William?
Grilled fish sounds good, but I think I'll take the grilled chicken with mashed potatoes. I really need some carbs today.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan. Oh look, here comes the waiter. We can order now.
Perfect timing. I'm ready.
Excuse me, are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I would like tomato soup to start, and then for my main course, grilled chicken with mashed potatoes.
And for me, I would like vegetable soup, please, and then the grilled fish with steamed vegetables.
Oh, and we both want bread with our soup, please. Thank you.
Yes, that's right. And for drinks?
Water and orange juice for me, please.
And tea with lemon for me, please. Thank you.
Excuse me, waiter. My friend George is coming. He will join us soon. Can we have another menu, please?
Oh, George is coming? That's wonderful. I didn't know he was joining us. I haven't seen him in a while.
Yes, I just got a text. He finished work early. He likes this restaurant too, so he said he would come. He should be here any minute.
Great. The more the merrier, right? It will be nice to catch up. I hope he likes the food here too.
I'm sure he will. He's not a picky eater. He likes most foods. What are you looking forward to most about your meal, Emma?
Definitely the vegetable soup. It sounds so warm and comforting. And the fish, I hope it's grilled perfectly. What about you?
For me, it's the grilled chicken. I really like chicken, and mashed potatoes are my favorite side dish. I'm imagining it already.
Mashed potatoes are good. Are you excited for the weekend, William? Do you have any plans?
Yes, I am. I plan to visit my parents. They live in the countryside. It's always nice to see them. And you?
I'm going to relax and read a new book. Maybe go for a long walk if the weather is good. Oh, wait, is that George coming in now?
Yes, it is. Hey, George, over here.
Hi, William. Hi, Emma. Sorry I'm a bit late. The traffic was a bit bad. I'm glad I found you easily. Is this table okay?
Hi, George. No problem at all, we just ordered. Please sit down. It's great to see you. How are you?
Yeah, pull up a chair. We just got our drinks ordered. I told the waiter you're coming, so he knows. Did you have a good day?
I'm good, thanks. A bit tired after work, but happy to be here. I'm very hungry. What did you guys order? What's good here?
I ordered vegetable soup and grilled fish. William is having tomato soup and grilled chicken. The waiter just brought an extra menu for you.
Thanks. Oh, perfect. Let me see. Everything looks so tasty. What do you recommend, William?
The grilled chicken is always a safe bet, or the pasta. They have a good carbonara too, but I'm going for chicken today. You know, for protein.
Grilled chicken sounds good, and I like pasta too. I'm really thirsty. What drinks do they have? I need some water first.
They have juices, sodas, tea, and coffee. I'm having tea with lemon. William has water and orange juice. The orange juice is fresh.
Okay, I'll have a glass of water, please. And maybe a cola? Yes, a cold cola sounds great right now. I love cold drinks.
Are you going to have a starter, George? We are having soup. It helps warm you up.
Good idea. Maybe just a small starter. How about the Caesar salad? Or some garlic bread? I love garlic bread. It's simple and delicious.
Garlic bread is always a good choice. We also ordered bread with our soup. It's very good here. The bread is fresh from the oven.
Okay, then I'll take the garlic bread. For my main dish, I think I'll have the beef burger with fries. I'm really in the mood for a burger.
A burger is a good choice, George. Very filling. Do you want cheese on your burger?
Yes, please, with cheddar cheese, and extra pickles if possible. I really like pickles. They add a nice sour taste.
Sounds delicious. Here comes the waiter. We can tell him your order, George.
Excuse me, waiter. I would like to order now, please.
Hello again. Our friend is ready.
Yes, I'd like a glass of water and a cola. For my starter, garlic bread. And for my main, the beef burger with cheddar cheese, fries, and extra pickles.
All right. Your order will be ready soon. So, George, how was your day? Anything interesting happen at work?
It was busy but good. We had a big meeting this morning. It went well, but it was long. I'm glad it's over. How about you, Emma?
My day was busy too. Lots of emails and phone calls. I feel a bit tired, but happy that the day is almost done. And food will help me feel better.
Yeah, food will help all of us feel better. I agree, good food makes people happy. And good company makes it even better.
Exactly. That's why I came. It's nice to talk to friends after a long day. Oh, look, I think our soups are coming now.
Oh, perfect. And bread too. That was fast. Thank you.
Here is your tomato soup, Emma your vegetable soup, and our bread. Thank you. It smells very good.
Yes, it looks delicious. And the bread is warm, just like I like it. Let's try it. Be careful, it's hot.
My soup is hot and very tasty. The tomato flavor is strong and fresh, and the bread is so soft.
Mine is very nice too. I like all the different vegetables. It feels so healthy and warm. Perfect for a cool evening.
It looks really good. I can't wait for my garlic bread. What are you doing this weekend, Emma?
I'm going to read a new book I just bought. It's a mystery novel. I love reading. What about you, George?
I'm planning to clean my apartment. It's a bit messy right now, and maybe watch a movie. What kind of movies do you like, William?
I like action movies, with a lot of excitement and adventure. But sometimes I also like comedies. What about you, George?
I like sci-fi movies and documentaries. I learn new things from documentaries. Oh, here comes my garlic bread. Finally.
Oh, great. It looks perfectly toasted. Enjoy, George. Our main dishes should be here soon, too.
Yes, after soup, I am ready for the main dish. I'm almost finished with my soup. It was really good.
This garlic bread is amazing. So buttery and garlicky. This is exactly what I wanted. Are your soups finished?
Almost. Just a little bit left. I'm still hungry for the main course, though. The soup was a good start.
Me too. My bowl is almost empty. This bread was also very good with the soup. Did you try the bread, Emma?
Yes, I did. It's really fresh. I think this restaurant has very good bread. I love restaurants that make their own bread.
Definitely. Good bread makes a difference. My garlic bread is almost gone. I could eat a lot more of this. So, any plans for next month?
Next month, I'm hoping to go hiking. There's a new trail I want to try. Do you like hiking, Emma?
Yes, I love it. The fresh air and beautiful views are amazing. Maybe we can go together sometime. And George, you too?
Oh, I'm not really a hiker. I prefer cycling. I love riding my bike on quiet roads. It's a good way to relax, but I can cheer you on.
That's fair. Everyone has different hobbies. Speaking of which, George, did you get that new camera you wanted?
Not yet. I'm still saving money. Cameras are expensive, you know, but I hope to get it soon. I really want to take better photos.
What kind of photos do you like to take, George? Nature? People? Buildings?
Mostly nature. Landscapes, flowers, animals. I like to capture beautiful moments. Maybe I can take some photos on your hiking trip, Emma?
That would be wonderful. We could make a nice photo album. Oh, look, here come our main dishes.
Wow! Here is your grilled chicken with mashed potatoes, and Emma's grilled fish, and George's burger and fries. Everything looks great.
My burger looks amazing. So big, with lots of cheese. And the fries look perfectly golden. I'm so ready for this.
My grilled fish looks very fresh and healthy, and the steamed vegetables are colorful. This is exactly what I wanted. Thank you.
Yes, my chicken is perfectly grilled, and the mashed potatoes look creamy. I like simple food like this, well cooked. Let's eat.
This burger is so juicy. The cheese is melted perfectly, and these fries are crispy on the outside and soft inside. Excellent.
My fish is cooked just right, not dry at all, and the vegetables still have a bit of crunch. I like healthy food, and this is really good.
This chicken is very good, not too salty, and the mashed potatoes are smooth and buttery. I'm very happy with my choice.
Emma, would you like to try one of my fries? They are really good. I have many.
Oh, thank you, George. Just one or two. They look very tempting. Yum, these are good, crispy indeed.
George, can I try one of your fries too, just to taste? My mashed potatoes are great, but I do like fries sometimes.
Sure, William, help yourself. There are plenty. Emma, would you like some of my burger? It's very big.
No, thank you, George. I am okay with my fish. It's very good, but thank you for offering. I like sharing food with friends.
Mine too. The chicken is perfect. I like how they seasoned it. Do you cook much at home, George?
Not really. I can make simple things, like eggs or pasta, but I'm not a great cook. I usually order takeout or eat out.
I love cooking. I try to cook new recipes every week. It's a nice hobby. Maybe I can cook for you both sometime.
That sounds amazing, Emma. I would love that. I'm also not a great cook, so I appreciate good homemade food.
Yes, please, Emma. That would be fantastic. What's your favorite thing to cook?
I really enjoy making Italian dishes like lasagna or risotto. Or sometimes I try baking cakes and cookies. That's fun too.
Lasagna sounds delicious. My mom makes a very good lasagna. It reminds me of home. I haven't had it in a long time.
I love Italian food. Pasta is my favorite. Do you prefer making sweet or savory dishes, Emma?
I think savory. I like experimenting with different spices. But baking is fun because it's so exact, you know? You have to follow the recipe closely.
That's true. Baking is like a science. Cooking is more like art. Oh, I'm almost finished. This was a really satisfying meal.
Me too. My burger and fries are all gone. I feel very full now, and very happy. That was exactly what I needed.
I am full now too. The food was great. I really enjoyed my fish and vegetables. It was a perfect amount.
Do you want dessert? I saw they have a few options. Maybe a small dessert for me.
I'm quite full, but maybe a small piece of chocolate cake. I can always make room for chocolate cake.
I'm very full, but I can always go for ice cream. What kind of ice cream do they have? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry?
I think I want ice cream too. Chocolate ice cream sounds good to me. Or maybe vanilla with some chocolate sauce.
Okay, let's order some dessert then. Excuse me, can we order dessert, please?
I'll have 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream, please.
And I would like 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream with chocolate sauce, please.
And 1 slice of chocolate cake for me, please. Thank you.
All right, your desserts will be ready shortly. Do you have any plans for the evening, Emma?
Just go home and relax. Maybe watch a movie or read my book. I need to get some rest after a long day. What about you, William?
I think I will go home and maybe play some video games, or call my brother. We usually talk in the evening. And you, George?
I'm going to clean my apartment a little bit, and then maybe listen to some music and just chill. Oh, here come our desserts.
Wow, my cake looks amazing. It has chocolate sauce and some berries. This is perfect. Thank you.
My vanilla ice cream looks great with the chocolate sauce. It's a good combination. Thank you.
My chocolate ice cream is very cold and sweet. It's exactly what I wanted. This is a nice end to the meal.
This cake is so delicious. It's not too sweet. I like eating dessert slowly, to enjoy every bite.
Me too. It's nice to just relax and talk while enjoying something sweet. This ice cream is really smooth.
Definitely. Good company and good food. Can't ask for more. This ice cream is really helping me relax after work.
I agree. It's been a really nice evening. Thank you for joining us, George. It was good to see you.
My pleasure, Emma. Thanks for letting me join last minute. This was much better than cooking at home.
It was great having you, George. Always good to catch up. I'm glad you could make it.
Okay, I think I'm truly full now. No more room for anything. Can we have the bill, please?
Yes. Waiter, can we have the bill, please?
Here is your bill. How much is it in total? We can split it, guys.
Let me see. It is not too expensive. We can just divide it by 3, right?
I will pay today. Don't worry about it. My treat. It was a good day and I want to pay.
Oh, William, that's so kind of you. Thank you very much. You're too generous.
Yes, thank you, William. That's really nice of you. Next time it's my treat, okay?
You're very welcome, both of you. It was a nice meal with good company. That's what matters.
This was a really nice evening. The food, the conversation, everything was perfect.
I agree. Let's come here again soon. Maybe next week for lunch? They have a good lunch menu.
Sounds like a plan. I'd like that. It's always good to share a meal with friends. Let's plan it soon.
Sure, let's text each other. I need to go now. It's getting late. See you next time, William, George.
Bye, Emma. Drive safe. See you, George.
Bye, Emma. Bye, William. Have a nice evening, both of you. It was a pleasure.